In this video, we will discuss profile reporting. If you'd like to follow on with this video, please open the file profilereporting.dwg located in the training folder as discussed in the Working with this Dataset video. Civil 3D provides a few ways that you can report on profiles. First, let's look at the panorama window. Let's go ahead and select our design profile, navigate to the geometry editor, and pick on the profile grid view. When the panorama window appears, if you want to copy anything out of the profile entity's vista, simply right-click and choose Copy All. You can then take this into Excel and it puts it in there as tab delimited columns. Then you can use standard Excel functionality to format your columns, the data, and save the file if you want to. Civil 3D also provides reporting tools in the toolbox. Navigate to the Toolbox tab in the tool space, expand Reports Manager, you can select the profile category, and you'll notice here you have a few reporting tools. If you wanted to get a vertical line report, double-click PVI Station and Curve Report, and then select your proposed profile, click Create Report. In your default browser, the report will appear.